How to delete multiple Instagram reels at once on iPhone and Android. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to delete multiple Instagram reels at once on your Android or iPhone devices. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So either you are using iPhone or Android, the process is same for both of the devices, so no worry for that. Firstly, launch your Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner to access your settings and activity page. Scroll down. Locate your activity option. Scroll down and under content you shared, select Reels. These are all your Reels that you have shared on Instagram. In order to delete all at once, select or tap on the select icon at top right corner of the screen. Now you need to tap or check mark this box one by one and tap the delete button at the bottom of the screen. And to confirm that you want to delete, tap delete and all the Instagram reels will be deleted at once on your iPhone and Android. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.